Welcome back to 8482 Tutorials. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to utilize the TikTok voiceover feature on TikTok. So let's get right into it. You want to be on your profile and then click on the plus icon all the way on the bottom. Click on that and now you get to see my ugly face. And now you want to press record, or if you already have a video, you can just upload it, right? So hello, my name is Tony Baloney. Nice to meet you. Press on the check mark when you're done. Upload it, right? So let me decrease the volume here. And now when you have the video, you're going to press on the down arrow on the bottom options, like so. And now you click on voice. So this is the voiceover feature, and you can choose any of these voices as you'd like. I like spill. Spill's pretty cool. So we'll click on spill, and now we'll click on record all the way on the bottom. So click on record. Get rid of the original sound by pressing on the bottom left check mark. And now you can press record and record any, using that voice. So let's do it like this. Hi, my name is Tony Baloney. I'm looking for love or for a friendly companion. Maybe that's a little too much. But anyways, now we press done. And now I can actually show you guys the voiceover by increasing the volume.
Hi, my name is Tony Baloney. I'm looking for love or for a friendly companion.
That's really funny. So once you guys have the voiceover done, you can click on save.
Hi, my name is Tony Baloney.
And now when you're done editing it, you guys can just post it. And that's really how you use voiceover on TikTok. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.